Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a sloping hide-a-bed. Ready? Okay. We're going to open up the hide-a-bed because we've got some guests coming over that are going to sleep on this hide-a-bed. So let's see. We've never had this open. We'll see what it looks like. Oh, here. Oh, he folded his legs out. There we go. Now we lift it up. Oh, it slopes. That's not good. We'll put this back part down. This folds down. That's easy to understand, but it's sloping. Let's look up underneath here and see why. Oh, look. Let me get the tape measure and show you all. Look up underneath here. Bring the video around here. Look it. Oh, there's an inch gap there, none here. So it's the, hold the bracket. No, look at the picture again. Let me hold it up. We'll level it up. Look, it needs to come up this much more for it to be level. But no, it's down here like this. So we're going to have to get some boards to put underneath it. Surely the camper people that made this, the people that made this couch, they didn't make it like that you have to put a board underneath it. This is a high-end camper, and to have a hide-a-bed that basically slopes is not acceptable. But looked on the internet, read all the Heartland forums, looked for videos on how to fix this. No videos on how to fix it. So I decided to take this apart to see if I could put a spacer in between here or something. So let's take these bolts out and see if maybe we can buy another piece of tubing or something to fix this. Okay, and there's that one. Oh, look, there's holes here where you can adjust these legs. My goodness. You would have thought by now somebody would have said something about this, or the dealership that sold us this camper would have fixed this. So I'm going to push this back into a hole that's about 2 inches from, make the legs about 2 inches longer because that's about what it needs. So let me do this. Put this bolt in here. There. Okay, let me move over to this other side and do this one.
So what are you using doing that one?
I am using a 10 millimeter metric wrench to undo these bolts. There we go. Okay. People had said that the mattress, they put a memory foam topper to make it more comfortable, but nobody mentioned how to fix the sloping part. And I'm sure that there's a lot of other people out there that having the same problem. And so this is the fix. There. Put this on. Okay, let's try it and see if it worked.
Ta-da!
Look at there.
It's level now.
Now, at least your feet are not going downhill. You're actually laying level. So, now, when we have guests over, we won't say, well, we got this hide bed, but it kind of slopes a little bit. It doesn't now. Thank goodness I was able to fix it with just a little bit of effort. So if you guys are having this same problem, there you go. That's how you fix it. Be sure to like, share, and ring the notification bell, because we've got a lot of other videos that I'm sure would be interesting to you. Bye-bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Put it back down. Put the cushions back on. There.
And now
Hide the bed fixed.
it's couch again.
That's right.
So this is our couch, guys, turned into a bed.
And that's why it's called a
Hide a bed.